Welcome to this presentation about our methodical approach to shared tasks as tutorials here at EAAI 2023. I'm happy to give this talk. I am Theresa Elstner, and this is joint work with 16 other authors from 5 universities in Germany and Italy: Leipzig University, Martin Luther University, Halle-Wittenberg, Bochum University of Applied Sciences, Bauhaus University Weimar, and the University of Padua. Let me begin this talk by telling you what we understand by the term shared task. Shared tasks are friendly research competitions in which solutions to a given challenging research problem are developed by independent teams and then comparatively evaluated. Now, why do we think we need shared tasks in teaching? We think they can help to achieve the goal of linking research and teaching, which is a major goal in higher education. Therefore, we jumped right in and used shared tasks in teaching by holding courses on information retrieval on bachelor's and master's degree levels on 2 different German universities. In our 5-term-long study, we taught 10 such courses at Leipzig University and Halle University in information retrieval. There were 256 students from different courses of study involved. In total, 26 of 42 student groups submitted their final papers to the Touché shared task at CLE. We evaluated our courses using questionnaires before and after introducing shared tasks to the teaching concept. On average, students gave shared task-based courses better evaluations than traditional courses, which you can see highlighted in bold. The additional complexity of shared tasks as teaching tool did not result in problems with respect to pace, scope, effort, and structure of the courses. Free text feedback was highly positive and satisfaction was high. Communicating the concept of shared tasks needs improvement though, as consistency and transparency of course contents were rated worse in comparison. Let me finish this talk with the 3 most important takeaways from our teaching experience as a lessons learned from teaching with shared tasks. First of all, shared task and term timeline can be out of sync. Avoid waiting. What we learned during the pandemic and pre-pandemic terms is that shared task tutorials can be taught online as well as in person. Just provide videos for lectures, communicate via conference tools, Discord, and email. What was really great is that students experienced scientific practice, which is a rare occurrence compared to other computer science courses, at least in Germany. This may inspire them to pursue a career in research later on. And now I would like to thank you very much for your attention.